This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Williams. Gorgeous pool home in desirable southwest location on 4 intersecting canals, southern rear exposure on oversized lot. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms and a den/office. 90-degree sliding glass doors open to the pool area and provide a breathtaking view toward the water. Living room/dining room/kitchen and bathrooms with tile floors, all bedrooms with wood laminate floors. Every bedroom has its own full bathroom. Kitchen features an island with breakfast bar and Corian countertops, new no-slip covering in pool area and tile in lanai area, planter with waterfall. Tile floor in garage for a clean look, tile roof and stamped concrete driveway. Mini updates: hurricane shutters, extended lanai and pool cage.